Is your Aisensy account more of a digital burden than a helpful tool? Let's untangle that complexity and walk through deactivating your Aisensy account for a clean break. First, head over to the Aisensy website and log into your account using your registered email and password. This will give you access to your account dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon or account settings. This is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access the settings menu. Within the account settings, you'll need to find the deactivation or account closure option. It might be labeled as Deactivate Account, Close Account, or something similar. Scroll through the menu until you find it. Before proceeding, carefully read any warning messages about data deletion. Deactivating your account will typically result in the permanent removal of your data, including messages, contacts, and other account information. Make sure you've backed out anything important. Next, review your current subscription status. If you have an active subscription, you'll need to cancel it before deactivating your account. To avoid any further charges, follow the on-screen instructions to cancel your subscription. Now, go back to the deactivation option and click on it. You'll likely be prompted to confirm your decision. Read the confirmation message carefully and, if you're certain, click to confirm the deactivation. After confirming, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your Aisensy account has been successfully deactivated. You may also receive an email confirmation. Keep in mind that deactivating your Aisensy account might affect any ongoing services or integrations that rely on it. Make sure to update or disconnect these services as needed to prevent any disruptions. And that's it. You've successfully deactivated your Aisensy account, ensuring a clean and secure account closure. If you had any problems, you may want to contact Aisensy support teams.